Hi, I'm Bobby. I'm here today to teach you guys how to top off your windshield washer fluid. So for demonstration, today I'm going to be doing it on a Toyota Corolla. And so the first thing we need to do is we need to get under the hood. So usually it's on the driver's side. And there's a little picture of the hood here. So all you want to do is you want to pull that little latch. And it's going to pop it up a little bit. Alright, so next, once your hood is popped a little bit, you want to put your pinky right in the middle of the Toyota symbol with your palm facing up. You're just going to want to go straight up, and then right by your middle finger, you're going to feel a little latch. You're going to want to go underneath that, and you're going to push the latch up, and then you're just going to lift your hood a little bit. Okay, so next, you're going to want to prop your hood up with this little arm here, and it goes into this little hole there, and it should be held up properly. So after you open your hood, you're going to want to look for this thing that says washer fluid only. Usually it's on the passenger side of the car, but sometimes it might be on the driver's side of the car, depending what car you have. But on the Corolla, it's on the passenger side. So you're going to want to open that up, and you're going to want to grab your fluid. So a little tip when you're pouring it, if you don't have a funnel, you want to pour it sideways like this instead of like this. It's going to help you spill less onto your car. Okay, so now we're going to unscrew the cap, and we're going to pour it in. Alright, last step before we put down the hood is you want to make sure that this cap is closed and it clicks in. Then we're going to put down the hood, we're going to lift it up, make sure it doesn't fall on our heads, push that antenna down, and then close it up. Like if this video is helpful to you, and if you want, consider subscribing.